Part of the difficulty in this project was that I was moving from another location, and I did have to live on premises, which is not the preferred method of doing any kind of construction project. And looking back in hindsight, I might want to reevaluate that decision to do that. But nonetheless, I think the construction crews were always timely. They said they'd be over at 8 o'clock and they'd be knocking at the door at 8 o'clock. Very professional and very helpful again in their execution of their job, and even offering additional improvements on what we had already decided we were going to do. So they were great.
Fall in love with a better home from TS Carpet and Design Center.